Okay, good morning. So today we shall be looking at what? Indices. Okay, indices. This is the topic we shall be looking into. In my first class, we discussed about what? The law of indices, which we just finished with what? The first law, which is what? The law of what? Multiplication. So now we shall be looking at what? The second law, which is what they call the law of what? Division. Before I write any example here, what is indices? Indices are numbers with index form carrying what? Powers. Actually now, with index powers. Are we there? So when two numbers of the same base in indices, okay, let me write. In the law of division, law of division, law of division, law of division. The law states that when two numbers of the same base are being what? Divided, the powers will be subtracted from what? Each other. Do I make myself clear? I repeat again. When two numbers of the same base are divided, the powers will be subtracted from what? Each other. Hopefully now, let's pick what? One example. Simplify 3 raised to the power 5 times 3 raised to the power 2. You get that? Let's now see how this problem can be solved. The first you do is this: you just go further by saying in our normal share, all you do is this: you just say, okay, this 3 means what? As I've told you before now, this 3 raised to the power 5 means what? 3 times 3 into what? 5 places. Let me do it. Sorry, it's division we're doing. Sorry. It means what? 3 times what? 3 times what? 3 times what? 3 times what? 3. This one means they said divide, right? Divided by what? Also 3 raised to the power 2, right? 3 times what? 3. Are we following now? This is just how it looks like in our normal words division. Let's see if this 3 cancel this 3 here is gone. When this 3 cancel this 3 here, how many 3 are we having left? We're having just what? 3 times 3 times 3 into 3 places left. You just come and say, okay, equals to what? 3 times what? 3 times what? 3, which is equals to what? 27. Do you get that now? But in this case now, to go higher, this same mass which we are given according to what the definition which I gave to you, bring the equation down again. 3 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power 5 divided by what? Raised to the power 2. In a simpler form, you just go down equals to. So I told you earlier, I say when two numbers of the same base are being divided, their powers will be what? Subtract from what? Each other. Then 3, pick just one of it. 5 minus what? 2. We now have what? Equals to what? 3 raised to the power 3. You get that now? This may be our answer, but you can further say, okay, 3 raised to the power 3 simply means what? 3 times what? 3 times what? 3 is equals to what? 27. You get that now? You see what I just did now? See, I applied the first law here, so I further apply what is second law here of what? Division. Do you get that now? Okay, let's see. Let's pick one more example. Let's see how it goes. Let's assume we are being given what? Simplify 24 x 4x raised to the power 6 divided by 8x raised to the power 4. Are we together now? Now see how it goes. This one is what? Another question. Okay. Now all you need to do is this: just apply the law as it was being said. 24 divided by what? 8 times what? X raised to the power 6 divided by what? X raised to the power 4. You can see that I just separated them from what? Each other, right? Okay. Let's go ahead. So let's apply the law so that we can solve it very clearly. Now 24 divided by what? 8 is what? I think it's 3 times what? X. Let's put it in a normal distant form. S divided by what? Raised to what? X. Are we there? Now we divide this because these are numbers but of different numbers, but they are numbers of what? Different numbers. Are we there now? That's why I have to what? Divide it directly. But we have a x here and what? A x here. And in my definition I said when two numbers of the same base are divided, they are supposed to be what? Subtracted from what? Each other. That's why I have to what? Place it this way. When I have 3 times what? X raised to what? 6 minus what? 4. Are we there? So we now continue by saying that it's equals to what? 3 times what? X raised to what? 6. Sorry, 2. Sorry. So we can now what? Join them together, which is equals to what? 3x raised to 2. So this is just how it looks like. Okay, with this pattern. So with this, I believe that the law of division of indices will be what's easy for us. So if you really enjoying this class, don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.